Ciao, this is Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Great to see you again. Thanks a lot for joining us, and thank you so much for the subscriptions and likes. Today we're going to be doing buttermilk fried chicken. Yeah, it's got a little salt, a little pepper in here. It's real special. I think you're going to like it. It's real simple. A little dippity-doo, and then over to the frying pan and turn it over and over, and it'll be done, and it's that fast. You can put these chicken fillets. These are actually breasts. And we can use it on a sandwich. It could be by itself. It could have it entrees like broccoli and carrots and all kinds of zucchini and things. You can have it, everything with it. It's not just by itself, or it could be. And I'll tell you something, you can eat it like a chicken finger even. That's right. Okay, let's get started. Let's get going here. Come on in here. I'm going to go ahead. That's been sitting in the buttermilk. Buttermilk. You're wondering, what is this? Buttermilk, I went ahead and put it in here, and I put it in the refrigerator for a while, and I just let it marinate. Don't want too much of this. You just want enough, just like that, and shake it off, just like so. Okay? Okay, meet me over at the frying pan. Thanks for not going anywhere and joining me over at the frying pan. We're going to get our marinated buttermilk. That's right, breasts. And we're going to bring it right over here to the batter, and we're going to put it right into the oil that we have over here. And by the way, this buttermilk is great for chicken. It helps not only marinate, but it makes it tender and juicy and oh, maron. So let's go ahead and get started, okay? Come on over. I'm going to put it here just like this. And we're going to go ahead and put it in the batter just like so. Look at that. And both sides, just like, oh, that looks so good. Now, when you put your anything into any hot liquid, and then put it away from you, okay? So it goes away. That's just like that. Now go get another one. Here's another one. Look at that. We go like this, and like that, and we put it away from us. Okay, it's been cooking on one side, coming up on about 3 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and turn it. And you do about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and it should be maron. You want to come in and take a look at me turning it? Okay, let's go ahead and flip it. Last time I flipped something, I hurt my back. Anyway, here we go. Let's go. Ooh. Looks wonderful. Look at that. Well, here it is. Buttermilk fried chicken. That's right. Buttermilk is a key. It helps make it tender and juicy and, oh, so delicious. Now, remember, you can have it like this with some carrots and zucchini and some broccoli, or you can have it with a sandwich. That's right. You can even dip it like you do, chicken tenders, I guess, Anyway, thanks for watching here at Vito's Italian Cucina. Always a pleasure. Thank you so much for the subscriptions, and ciao for now.